So in this quick recording, I'm going to show you how to set up your out of office messages within Microsoft Teams. To do this, you go onto the top right hand corner where you see a picture. You click on there, you go to set messages, and in here you have schedule out of office. When you click this, it'll load up your settings and come into this general out of office tab. In here, you can set your out of office on. You can set the messages that you send to both internal people and external people if you want them to be different. And then also you can set up when these messages should apply. So here, for example, I'm setting it to apply from 4 o'clock today till 9 a.m. on Tuesday. And there we go. And click Save. Now, that would have applied on my Outlook as well. My Teams would automatically change from in office to out of office. And that would be it. So I don't have to now go back into Outlook and set that same setting. Now on Outlook, this here on the screen is the new Outlook. For me to now set my out of office, I would go and do the following. Click on the settings cog on the top right hand corner, which launches this. Within here, you go to automatic replies, and you can set the automatic replies just the same way you did in Teams. You can send replies in certain times. You can click block my calendar for this period. It's important to do block my calendar for this period if you use applications like Bookings, because otherwise people will be able to still make bookings for your time. So make sure if you're using Microsoft Bookings or apps like Calendly, for example, that you tick the block my calendar for this period. You can also choose other options like automatically decline new invitations and so on. Now on the old Outlook, you do it through the File menu. That is done through the File button here. By clicking it, takes you into here. And there you can edit the automatic replies. Remember, I set the out of office already within Teams, but I can turn it off from here or adjust it from here as well. Click in there. I can change settings here. Now, one thing to note is that on the classic Outlook and on the Teams, it does not allow you to block your calendar for that period, which means if you're using Microsoft Bookings, you need to make sure that you do that setting within the web-based version of Outlook. Of course, if you're using the new version of Outlook, that does not apply. So this is the web-based version of Outlook, and here again you can go into settings, into account. You can go into account and then set your automatic replies. Again, it's only on here that you get these tick boxes that allow you to block your calendar for that period.